filter out acne, we need to use the opposite of the excess color. So when it comes to acne, most people think of it as red, but typically there's so much shadowing, bruising, and scarring in acne. It's mostly in the blue and purple ranges. So I'll be using mostly oranges. And what I start with is I just start with going over the very darkest points. And I'm using 03 because that's the most saturated orange I'll be using. And I'm using that over the very darkest, shadowiest points. Meaning I'm not really addressing each zit at a time. I'm mostly just addressing the darkest points, and then I'll see what's left over. Skin is very varied in color, and so I'm not trying to remove all the color variation. That's what makes it skin. That's what makes it beautiful. I'm just trying to get rid of the distracting points, and I'm going to trust my skin that the color variation left over will be beautiful. One of the key points is to use the tiniest amount so it looks like you're wiping it away and not wiping makeup on. You'll know you use the right color when the spot just vanishes instantly and effortlessly. And because we use so little product, there's no texture left over.